Yeah. So, kind of talking, I've always, I've diversified into gold. What's
Mm,
interesting was I bought silver back, in 2010, 2011. And back then
mhm.
the price was like 22, and then I saw it fall to like 8 or 9. And I was like, ah, yeah,
Yeah,
and then I never saw the price move, but now it's moving a lot. So what are the main
yeah.
factors driving gold and silver to the newest all-time high? What's going on here?
Yeah, and even back then in 2011,
Yeah.
silver went up to $50 an ounce. It had a big jump there. Both the metals set a new high. They came back down in like 2015, and then they've been starting to climb again since 2019. And really, it just comes down to the Federal Reserve printing too much money. And I shouldn't even say money; they're printing too many dollars. When it comes down to definitions, gold is money. Money has to be a store of value. It has to be something that maintains its purchasing power. So a dollar bill in your wallet, we call it money, but it's really a currency. I'm sure a
Uh-huh.
lot of your listeners know that. It's a currency. You can trade it for goods, but it's not a long-term store of value. And that's what gold and silver are. They're real savings. They're a long-term store of value. So the more that our central bank prints dollars out of thin air and devalues each one of them, the more they print, and they've printed tens of trillions since COVID. The more they print, the less valuable they are. But something limited in supply, like gold and silver, they go up in price. Commodities in general, and especially the monetary metals like gold and silver, they're going to go up in price the more money we print. And the money printing has been out of control crazy, and gold and silver have not accounted for all of it yet. They can still go up 3 to 5 times in value, maybe more, to account for all that. So they're an undervalued asset to own, but ultimately they're your money. They're your cash under the mattress. They're just a better form than the dollar is.
Yeah. And it's quite interesting, especially in these day and age of unsound money and
Mm,
government. You were talking about government debts and debt to GDP and demographics. And people are awaking to this fact. And what's interesting is so this gold price, recently hit 2.3K, but it's been saying that governments don't like gold, they don't like silver. And I was actually reading a book about silver, and it was like, yeah, this, it's a commodity that's used in electronics and everything, but the price never even moves. So, and JP Morgan was fined for manipulating
mm.
the markets.
Yep.
So, even though these are real money, governments
Mhm.
are manipulating it.